Okay, here we go. Ed says, explain roaming and how to use it. Yeah, it's a great question. Basically, how the roaming feature works on these radios is you will import your repeaters. Let's say you were going on a trip, you'd add all those repeaters beforehand that are going to be in your range, and then turn on roaming. You'll actually make a roaming list, and then the radio will automatically actually switch on those repeaters based on your connectivity. So if you have connection with one and then you're fading out of connectivity, but there's another one that's better connection, it'll actually switch over to it. It's a really cool feature. If you travel a lot and have a lot of repeaters programmed in your radio, it works great. You just have to do the setup beforehand to make it work correctly. In the CPS, we can quickly just demo where you would find that information. Let's see here. So if we go to roaming, so there's your roaming channel and your roaming zone. So I could create a new one here. You can set some information, frequency. You can set all that up. We can cover, it's a little bit more in depth. We can cover that in another video, but that is the basic operation of roaming and kind of how you would go about getting started with it.